how we kind of protect all your families. So I'm going to start by reading our dad autobiography. Our dad, Alhaji Olarenwaju Rasaq Shittu, was born on the 8th of January 1958. He was the firstborn of his mother, Alhaja Mojidat Ajoke Shittu, and the fourthborn of his late father, Alhaji Kolawole Adisa Shittu, in a large family. He had his education in both Lagos and Ogun State, where he attended Ebute Ero Primary School in Lagos Island and Muslim High School in Shagamu. He later got a professional certification in automobile marketing and workshop administration in South Africa. Lanre Shittu started out working for his late father at a very young age. Then, feeling unfulfilled, he chose the path of business and left to start his own trade, which initially entailed traveling abroad to buying Italian shoes and bags and jewelries for sale in Nigeria. He later left the line for a poultry business. Subsequently, he moved again to auto trading and transportation, which later created the automobile business for which he is renowned today. It is worth mentioning that the auto business rose like a phoenix out of the ashes of the failed transportation business in Nigeria. Lanre Shittu Incorporation is full-scale automobile business in the year 1981, precisely on March 31st. As Lanre Shittu Motors Nigerian Limited, a company which has today become an household name and a market leader in Nigerian automobile industry. A name that is synonymous with honesty, reliability, and integrity. A name that has received countless awards and most recently was recognized as the company with the best truck assembly plant at the recently concluded NAGA Awards in February 2023. This is truly a remarkable feat indeed. It takes a lot of patience, dedication, resilience, hard work, and amazing wives, and beautiful children, and grandchildren, brothers and sisters. May your soul rest in peace, and may Almighty Allah grant it Al Jannah Firdaus. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ahmed, for taking us through the life of our late father. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, our dear father. But before we begin to go into that session, ladies and gentlemen, I'm asked to quickly recognize the presence of the Chairman and CEO of Amasco International Limited, Alhaji Mustafa Ado. We celebrate you, sir. You're welcome, sir. This is the time, ladies and gentlemen, we've been waiting for, and the time we've been anticipating.